Okuibuki, one of the largest ski resorts in Kansai and has the world's largest snow accumulation. There are 14 snow trails here, and if you don't have any plans to ski or snowboard, you can always join young children and their families play and frolic at the kids' park. We love how safe the area is, especially for kids, and we truly didn't expect to enjoy climbing, sliding, and creating snow creatures all day. This is definitely a must-visit spot during winter in the Kansai area. For reviews on places